we're Joe and Esther. Every journey starts the same way. Grab coffee and go. From quiet beaches to hidden parks and places most people pass by, this is Wheels of Passion. Come ride with us. Barcelona has a way of pulling you in, and today our journey begins right in the heart of it all. We meet our guide Vincent at the lively Sant Josep La Boqueria just off the famous La Rambla. It's the perfect meeting point, buzzing with energy and setting the tone for the adventure ahead. With our group together and Vincent leading the way, we're ready to step beyond the surface and uncover the deeper history of Barcelona. This isn't just a walk through the city, it's a journey through histories of stories waiting to be discovered. And with every turn, we're about to see a side of Barcelona that many visitors miss. From here, we leave the crowds behind and step into the shadowed streets of the Gothic Quarter. The transition is almost immediate. The wide boulevard gives way to narrow alleyways where sunlight barely reaches the ground. The air feels cooler, quieter. Our first stop is the serene Basilica di Santa Maria del Pi, tucked into a quiet square. At first glance, the exterior is simple, almost understated, but then your eyes are drawn to the enormous rose window dominating the facade. The open square in front gives you space to take it all in, and the calm atmosphere here feels like a quiet pause in the middle of the city's winding streets. It's a peaceful introduction to the Gothic Quarter's hidden corners. We continue to the awe-inspiring Cathedral of Barcelona. The moment you arrive, it's impossible not to look up. The intricate Gothic facade rises dramatically into the sky, filled with carvings, spires, and centuries of craftsmanship. The square in front is alive with movement, but the cathedral itself stands as a constant reminder of Barcelona's deep and layered history. Next, we arrive at the Place del Rey, one of the most atmospheric spots in the city. Surrounded by imposing medieval buildings, the square feels frozen in time. The stone walls seem to hold centuries of stories, from royal ceremonies to historic events that shaped the city. Standing here, it's easy to imagine a completely different era unfolding in the very same space. As we make our way toward El Born, we visit the breathtaking Basilica di Santa Maria del Mar. Often called the Cathedral of the Sea, this basilica feels completely different from the others. Its tall columns and open design create a lighter, more expansive atmosphere, giving the space a unique sense of balance and elegance. Just outside, we pause at the moving memorial of the Façade de les Maures. Here, the internal flame burns in honor of those who defended the city during the siege of 1714. The space is simple, yet deeply powerful, offering a moment to reflect on the history and resilience that define Barcelona. By the end of this walk, Barcelona feels transformed. It's no longer just a destination. It's a layered story of past and present, woven together through every street and square. And today, we didn't just see it, we walked through it, one unforgettable step at a time. Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.